Ever wonder what the secret is to keeping your vision sharp? You might think it's some expensive eye treatment or a high-tech gadget. But guess what? The real solution is probably already in your kitchen. This powerhouse nutrient acts like a protective shield for your eyes. First, it defends your cornea, the clear front part of your eye, keeping it hydrated and strong. Without it, your eyes can dry out and feel irritated. But that's not all. Your retina, the part that detects light, relies on this vitamin to function properly. It's also a key ingredient in rhodopsin, a protein that helps you see in the dark. Ever struggled to adjust when walking into a dim room? This vitamin is the reason why. And here's where it gets even better. It fights off damage from free radicals, slowing down age-related vision problems like blurry eyesight and cataracts. Plus, it strengthens your immune system, helping your eyes stay infection-free. So, what is this vision-boosting superstar? Vitamin A. You'll find it in eggs, dairy, liver, fish oil, and colorful fruits and veggies. Make it a regular part of your diet and your eyes will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Now tell me, are you getting enough vitamin A? Drop your thoughts in the comments.